One of the things with the Warhammer hobby, or indeed any type of hobby in general, is as you progress along that hobby path, you end up with more stuff and more stuff and more stuff. And stuff's great, but what do you do with it? Where do you put it? And how do you cope with that? Well, that's something that I've struggled with, and I'm going to try and fix that problem in this video. Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Wayne. I've been collecting Warhammer books. Not just Age of Sigmar books, but 40k books, art books, and anything to do with Warhammer. That's part of my hobby. I absolutely love learning about the lore, about the gaming system, and it's something that I've really gotten into this year. Just collecting, cataloguing, and all of that hobby adjacent stuff. With that in mind, I've ended up with this absolute fantastic collection of Age of Sigmar books, all the way from first edition over here, all the way up to the very latest battle tome. And well, that's not all. I've got a lot of other books as well, and nowhere to put them. I'm going to give you a candid look at what it actually looks like to expand your hobby. Firstly, I'm going to get some more shelves up here. And then I'm going to start putting some artwork on the wall over there, because my work area is looking a little bit sparse. So I've treated myself to some Dark Angel artwork, and I want to get that above my computer screens. Better get this shelf down and figure out where the other ones are going to go. This is going to be fun. Right, let's do this. Come on. I didn't think about the lighting in here, did I, before I started recording this, but anyway, we've got one shelf pretty much sorted out. Just need to get the additional support brackets done for that now, which I'm doing. And the second shelf is, well, the second shelf support up and ready. I just need to go and cut the shelf to actual size and should be in a good position for that then. Yeah, all right. Well, as we're talking, double check the height of the shelf is okay. And luckily it is. It is literally just all right. So it's fitting pretty well. Happy times there then. Right, okay, next thing, let's get this screwed in properly. Had a couple of problems with the shelves, but they're up. And I'm pretty happy with what I've got here now. So AOS 1st through 3rd editions on the bottom shelf, my 40k core rulebooks, and some other bits and pieces that I'm currently working on collecting along with the Horus Heresy at the moment. Some various Dark Angel codices and other bits and pieces up on this shelf. Then I've got some more of my interesting stuff up here. So I've got the box collections of the End Time, Nagash, Glockkin, Kane, not Khan, Thanquil and Archeon up here, along with the current 4th edition battle tomes, couple missing there because I've got a few out while I'm working on another project, and some various art books, other bits and pieces up on the left hand side. So I've got some space to work with for now. And then down at the bottom, down here, some miscellaneous bits and pieces. So Kill Team, Warcry, and a whole gamut of Transformers and Street Fighter books. So that's pretty good. We have storage for books now. All in one place, happy with that, and the separation's pretty good. But there's a few more things that I want to do as well with the space, and while I'm at it, we might as well get those done now, hadn't we? So what are those things I hear you say? Well, I want some more artwork. Specifically on this wall, I think it's time Bob joined me down in the studio where I paint. He's going to be good there because Bob Ross is a happy accident, and it's a happy Warhammer accident. Why wouldn't we want him there? I think in the near future, Bob's going to migrate, but we're going to get some artwork on the walls over here. And then above where my computer is, where I do the editing and my day job, I want to get some Dark Angel art specific to what I really like up there. I love my Dark Angels, and I don't really have anything showing off that love in this room. So I want to get some Dark Angels up there and a print of Belisarius Cawl, who is my favourite character in the 40k universe. That's going to just finish this space off and really give me a chilled, relaxed place where I can come, read some Warhammer books, do some editing the videos, play some video games, and just hang out for the hobby. I think I'm done for now. I think I could do with a few more bits of artwork just to fill in a couple of gaps just over here on the wall, and perhaps some more just a little bit over there. And I don't know if I need a couple of more smaller pieces over here that I could do. I'm thinking some Imperial crests, something like that, maybe a Dark Angel sigil, or something like the up on this wall here where Bob Ross still is, maybe the Hexagrammaton or something like that, something that really ties it to my love of the Dark Angels. And what about maybe something Soulblight Gravelord? I don't know. What do you think? Give me some suggestions of what I might want to put up here, and leave suggestions down in the comments. I'll be sure to check them out. The hobby that we're into takes many different guises. Over time, those might change. You might go from modelling and painting to gaming to just wanting to devour and learn about the lore. It doesn't matter what you're into at any given point. The fact is, you need to find somewhere to put all of the stuff that you end up collecting. Not only do you need to find somewhere to put it, you need to find relevance for it in your collection. Does it make you happy? Does it inspire you? What does it do for you? If it doesn't do something, perhaps it shouldn't be in your collection. And that's what I've tried to do. I focus down a little bit to what really means something to me. For me, at the moment, that's learning about the lore, about the chapters that I love, about the factions that I'm interested in, and the settings of both Age of Sigmar, the Mortal Realms, and 40k. That's not to say that things won't change for me again over time. Obviously, I'm still painting and modelling. I still enjoy gaming. However, right now, in this space, that's not what I want. Let me know how your spaces have developed over time. What should I do in the room to make it even more inspiring for me? I spend a lot of time here working, as well as doing my own hobby thing. And I want a place where I can come and enjoy my hobby without being overwhelmed by stuff everywhere. I like to have pieces of inspiring art. I like to have books and references on hand. If you've got any recommendations on art, as I said before, let me know down in the comments. There's a few spaces that I still want to fill, and I'll definitely be swapping bits and pieces out over time. I'd love to hear what you're doing with your spaces. Or if you've got any suggestions on what else I could do in this space, let me know as well. I've had real fun putting this together, getting the bits and pieces that I've been putting off finishing finished, and it feels like my collection has space to breathe, space to grow, and more importantly, a place where I can use my collection. I hope you enjoyed a different type of video. I can't wait to share more with you over the coming weeks and months. Thanks for joining me on this one. I'll see you next time. Have a good one. See ya.